Hi, this is Roz with Marijuana Software, and I'm going to show you how to convert one product into another. In our example, we're going to take a 28-gram package and convert it into 28 individual 1-gram units. If you don't already have that individual unit in your database from previous sales, you'll need to create it. So starting from the products page, click on the yellow New button. Enter the name of the new product that you'll be converting to. Select your store category, and your state category will autofill. Click Create. Next, go back to the products page and find the product that you'll be converting. Click on the little arrow next to the batch number. In the product details page, click on the link to convert inventory. This will show two new boxes. In the box on the left, it's going to show the product that you'll be converting and how much is left in the package. Enter the quantity you would like to convert. In this example, I'm going to convert all 28 grams. In the box on the right, use the drop-down to select the item that you'll be converting this product to. In my example, I've selected the item that I just created. Next, select the quantity of units that you wish to convert and enter the weight of each unit. In our example, I've entered 28 units and I've entered the weight of each unit as 1 gram. Click Convert. This will drop you directly into the purchase order details. Just scroll down to the bottom and click Save. Lastly, go back to the products page and you'll see both the item that you converted as well as the product you converted it into. You'll notice that they both have the same batch number. If the original package is now zeroed out, be sure to archive that package to avoid confusion. It's extremely important that when you archive this package, you only archive it in the point of sale. Do not archive and finish it in metric, otherwise you will not be able to sell it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call or shoot us an email.